welcome to another GCSE revision video. In this video we're going to be looking at the AQA GCSE past paper. This is the November 2017 first paper in the foundation tier of the 8300 series. It's a non-calculator paper. And we pick it up in question 5, and part A reads, solve x minus 3 equals 14 for 1 mark. Okay, so it's just straightforward algebra. All we have to do is remember that whatever we do to one side of an equation, we have to do to the other side of the equation to keep it balanced. So if we have x minus 3 equals 14, what I can do is I can add 3 to both sides. And the reason I'm going to add 3 is because I've got x minus 3. If I'm taking 3 away and I add that 3 back, remember to add my 3 so that it stays balanced. So if I've got 3 less than x and then I add 3 more, I'm going to be left with x. So x minus 3 plus 3 is just x. And 14 plus 3 is 17. So our answer is x equals 17. Okay, picking up in part B, it says solve 5y is equal to 45. Well, again, whatever we do to one side of an equation, we must do the same thing to the other side. So if we're going to get y on its own, we really need to divide by 5. So 5y divided by 5 is equal to 45 divided by 5. So your 5's cancel. So you've got y is equal to, well, 45 divided by 5, we know from our 5 times tables, 9 times 5 is 45. We also know from our 9 times tables, 9 times 5 is 45. So whether you use your 9 times table or your 5 times table, the answer is 9. Okay, let's look at part C, which says solve 8 plus w equals 6. Okay, so this is the same thing, we're just keeping everything balanced. So if I write out 8, and I'm going to put our plus w here, is equal to 6. And what I'm going to do is subtract 8 from both sides. So 8 minus 8 is 0, and 0 plus anything is itself. So that's just w is equal to, I've got 6 and I'm taking 8 away from 6. Well, I've only got 6, so I'm left owing 2. So I've got 2 less than 0. So w is equal to negative 2. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams. And I look forward to seeing you in another video.